Oh.
Alright, show it first before you open it.
My favorite big gummies.
Yeah, I like your intro.
Big green gummies.
Let's introduce it properly. Can you find out where it's made in and some of the more interesting ingredients?
No.
Let's take it to the next level.
It doesn't say anything.
No? It has to. Otherwise you'd be, like, allergic kids would be getting sick off of this if there was a peanut in there. Read it out.
2010.
It was made in 2010?
Junior company.
You know, the wrapping was copyright 2010.
Yeah. No duh.
And why are you saying
It doesn't say where it's made.
Alright, that's fine. Made in America, I guess.
Yeah.
Easy wrapper, come on. Somebody's got to have an easy wrapper experience.
All I'm gonna do, I just suck it open now. Need help?
Oh! Luckily we have a clean floor for the most part. I sweep it all the time. I don't know about you.
Ooh.
The texture.
Take the soft, gooey one. Take the soft, chewy.
Okay, Venn diagram. How does it compare to the gummy bears?
They're softer.
These are softer. Is it better? Is the texture better? Do you prefer gummy bear texture?
Yes.
This is stickier, right? Typically.
I don't like that one. Haribo's better.
What's the outside versus the inside? Because there's an outside coating. Is that extra sugar or sour?
Crunchy. Like the pea. Rating 6.
6.
I cut 8.
You ate the rest of it anyway. Okay, rating is 6. This is from yesterday's Halloween haul.
It's not a haul.
Well, yeah, you hauled it. It's just like you hauled it from a whole bunch of other people. It's a haul, man. Halloween haul. It's alliterative. Okay, next, let's close it out.